Hello everyone, welcome to Semantics and Mathematics. In this video, we will find the value of log 1 plus x and log 1 plus x whole square with the exponential ways. By using exponential series, we can easily prove these two logarithmic series. We know that the value of e for x is equal to 1 plus x by factorial 1 plus x square by factorial 2 plus x power 3 by factorial 3 plus x power 4 by factorial 4 and so on. By using this series, we can write any number with exponential index in this form. We can write a power y as an exponential series, like a power y is equal to e to the power log a power y, which is equal to e to the power y log a. By comparing this, we can write as a power y is equal to e power y log a with exponential base is equal to 1 plus y log a by factorial 1 plus y log a whole square by factorial 2 plus y log a power 3 by factorial 3 and so on. Here x has been replaced by y log a with exponential base. Let the value of a is equal to 1 plus x. Then the above series can be written as 1 plus x whole to the power y is equal to 1 plus y log of 1 plus x by factorial 1 plus y log of 1 plus x whole square by factorial 2 plus y log of 1 plus x power 3 by factorial 3 and so on. But 1 plus x whole to the power y can also be solved by using binomial theorem. So by using binomial theorem, 1 plus x whole to the power y can be written as 1 plus x whole to the power y is equal to 1 plus y into x divided by factorial 1 plus y into y minus 1 into x square divided by factorial 2 plus y into y minus 1 into y minus 2 into x power 3 divided by factorial 3 plus y into y minus 1 into y minus 2 into y minus 3 into x power 4 divided by factorial and so on for the next series. Now adding the coefficient of y divided by factorial 1 together, which can be written as x minus x square by factorial 2 plus 2x power 3 by factorial 3 minus 6x power 4 by factorial 4 and so on. These are the coefficient of y divided by factorial 1, which is similarly adding the coefficient of y square divided by factorial 2, then we can write this as x square minus 3x square into factorial 2 divided by factorial 3 plus 11x power 4 into factorial 2 divided by factorial 4 minus 50x power 5 into factorial 2 divided by factorial 5 and so on. Now comparing these two coefficients, that is y divided by factorial 1 and y square divided by factorial 2, we can get y log of 1 plus x divided by factorial 1 is equal to 1 plus y divided by factorial 1 into x minus x square by factorial 2 plus 2x power 3 divided by factorial 3 minus 6x power 4 divided by factorial 4 and so on for the next term. By using this equation, we can get the value of log of 1 plus x. So by comparing this equation, the value of log of 1 plus x will be x minus 1 by 2x square plus 1 by 3x power 3 minus 1 by 4 s power and so on for the next term. Similarly, by using the coefficient of y square divided by factorial 2, we can get the value of log of 1 plus x whole square, which is equal to x square minus 3x square into factorial 2 divided by factorial 3 plus 11x power 4 into factorial 2 divided by factorial 4 and minus 50x power 5 into factorial 2 divided by 5 factorial 5 and so on for the next term. So the value of log of 1 plus x whole square is equal to x square minus x power 3 plus 11 by 12 x power 4 minus 5 by 6 x power 5 plus and so on. These are the value of log of 1 plus x whole square with the exponential base. This is very important equation for logarithmic equation.